Hi guys, I'm VK. I'm going to start MATLAB tutorials. The reason why I'm starting MATLAB tutorials is very basic. It's because the time when I was learning MATLAB, I searched so many YouTube videos, but I couldn't get a proper video in the YouTube, the way they explain, the way they tell about the code. I didn't like it. So I thought, why don't I make a video and help the users, the people who want to learn MATLAB. So let's go to the introduction of MATLAB. What MATLAB is? MATLAB, Matrix Laboratory. It is the fourth generation programming language, and it uses MUP80 symbolic engine for symbolic computation, and it has a graphical simulation, Simulink. It's here. I will upload few videos on Simulink also, how to use it in future videos. So let's just get into the application. I'm using MATLAB 2016. I would suggest you people to keep about MATLAB versions to about 2013, because like the previous versions are not that stable, and then they don't give a proper plots, while when you want a plot, a graph, about 2013 versions are very good at plotting. So I would suggest you to keep about 2013. And yeah, system requirement, very important. The minimum requirement, I would suggest you to keep around 4 GB RAM and then 2 gigahertz processor. Minimum could be 2 GB, but see, it will be like a dedicated, because MATLAB almost take 1.5 GB of your RAM. So please keep this in mind, as because I don't want you to waste your time. You just code the whole thing, and then when you press on the run button, it gets stuck, and then your whole hard work went into vain. So please keep this in mind and use a proper system. And then yeah, now let's go into the application part. Now we'll here is a command window. This is command history window, and this is editor, and this is workspace, and this is the directory current folder. So let's get to the brief introduction of command window. Command window is used to execute single line commands. Now I will tell you in future videos that when to use command window, why we should use command window. And then let's see what is command history. Now command history, as the name says, it shows all the codes which you have used in the command window, not in the script. It shows the history, whatever you have executed in command window. So now let's go to editor. Editor is the place where we type the code, where we work on the code, and then there are variety types of scripts. One is basic script, and then which you can see here, and one is functions. This is functions. This is function. Basic script will look like this, and then there is a live script, which I will show you in future, and then which while executing, it's like you can run it, and then you can, like, in real time you can put values. It will be a fun. MATLAB is really, seriously, it's fun coding in MATLAB. So let's go to the panels here. Home. Yeah, home, in which you can create a new script, you can open files, and then you can create new variables. I will tell you. Workspace usually saves the matrices and the variables which you have used in scripts, so you can create a new variable in workspace. So that's why you have this option, new variable. I will explain this in detail in the next video. Now let's go to plots, where we plot the graphs. There are so many variety of plots, so you can see here. Plot as multiple, bar, area, spy we will use in future, and I'll tell you when we should use what type of graph and what the physical meaning of it. Now let's go to apps, and this gives different type of tools which are used. This is what I use is signal analysis, instrument control, and DSP tools, which are really useful, as because they give you graphic interface. You don't have to every time type the whole code. There are few things which are available already. Just put the values and you will get the graph, you will get your results. Now let's go to the editor window. Of course, you can see here run in time. Run is for running your script, and then run in time is to see how much time your code took to execute. This is inserting a function or variable. This is comment. All this I'll be explaining in detail in the next video. I'm just introducing this to you. Publish is like when you want to publish your code. And then this only can happen when you like create something new. And yeah, you can, we all are capable of creating new things. Now let's go to view. View is like how you arrange all this, arrangement command window. You don't want here, you want somewhere else, you can just arrange using this. So this is the basic introduction of MATLAB. In future videos I'll be explaining you how to code it, and then I'll tell you, yeah, one basic thing which I forgot to tell you is this directory is really important, because if your file is not in the directory, then the code will give you the MATLAB will give you error. I'll explain you what and all are the uses of this, how to use it properly, uh, where you can see the directory and all in future videos. Thank you for watching the video. But before leaving, I would like to tell you few things. That is, the screen recorder which I have used is a free screen recorder known as Recorder. I will put up the downloading link in the description. And then audio for audio extraction, audio noise reduction, I have used Audacity, and that is also open source and free. So thank you for watching the videos, guys. Comment, like, and please do respond to the videos, and I will try to help you out in whatever way I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Bye bye.